What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Now that Vlogmadan's over, we are now going to be getting back to our regularly scheduled content. Although I'm gonna be reminiscent of Ramadan, it's really nice that I no longer have to daily upload. And if you don't know, I just spent the last 30 days daily uploading for Ramadan. I did my own spin on TJ Hunt's Vlogmas. I don't know if he coined that term or not, but I'm pretty sure other YouTubers do it as well. But I wanted to do my own spin on it and do it during Ramadan. So I attempted to do 30 daily uploads. However, I missed a few days. But that's life, so you can't make that up. If you guys want to check out Vlogmadan, I'll leave a link if I can to the playlist of the whole series in the top left. But in today's video, we're going to be rolling Ali's fenders, and we're doing that so that he can go a lot lower and fit not necessarily more aggressive wheels, but wheels that allow him to dial in his fitment a lot better than they currently are at the time of recording this video. As you guys can see, I'm still dressed up. It's currently April 10th. We just celebrated Eid. I'm still wearing batik and I just got home. But I recorded this video in late February, early March, because we installed its coilovers in mid-February. And if you hear me say at any time in this video we're going to be rolling my quarter panels, that is not the case. That was initially the plan, but I got really lazy because of how many other projects I've been doing and how many other videos I've been working on. It's not really a necessity for me to do right now, so I'll leave that to future me to deal with, because it's just honestly such a chore to jumpstart my car and then put it on the planks and drive it out, only to have to jumpstart it again and then put it back in the garage, because it currently takes like maybe 5 to 10 minutes to jumpstart my car because of how bad the battery is. And I also have no gas and I'm too lazy to go fill it up or like go get a tank to fill it up in the garage, because the end result just makes the garage smell like fuel for a day at the least. So yeah, in today's video we're only going to be rolling Ali's fenders and quarter panels. And yeah, without further ado, we'll get started. Slightly rubbing, but it's not that deep. We're just gonna roll them just so
I can go lower.
Yeah.
Because they're not maxed out right now. I still have like 3 centimeters left in the front and then 2 centimeters in the back. And it's like pretty much the lowest I can go right now without rubbing. So we're gonna roll the fenders and then
And I think we might fix the bumper in this video. If not, we're probably gonna do that off camera. But we saw this, we saw a lot of like people with like Stance E90s. They basically like cut their bumper like right here and like figure out a way to mount it to the fender a different way for more clearance. So we might do that too.
super glue and zip ties.
Let's do it. Oh, speaking of super glue, bro, I'm actually so pissed off this previous owner. Look at this. You see that white stuff there? So I was replacing the window regulator the other day, and it's already, the new one's already installed, but he super glued the window shut because he couldn't replace the window regulator. I guess it was too hard for him, but yeah, it's stuck. So now we just have a new regulator in there, and we can't even open this window. So I love finding problems on your car.
It's okay. It's a daily.
It's passing the 10 feet check, so it's fine. But honestly, this fitment is looking very nice. But yeah, just wanted to give you guys the 2 cents about that. And we're just gonna get to work on rolling the fenders now, so yep. Okay, we finished taking out the fender liner for the driver's side. The passenger side, one of the plastic nuts for the belly pan is completely rounded off, and we don't know how to take it off, so we'll deal with that later. And we also didn't know how to assemble this fender roller, so we just kind of pieced it together and made sense with what made sense. So now we're heating up the fender, and then we're gonna get started on rolling it afterwards, so hopefully all goes well. Alright guys, as you can see, the driver's side has been rolled. The lip is pretty much non-existent anymore. Besides that, we have to finish rolling out this imperfection. I don't know if I can get the right angles, but yeah. And then after that, we're gonna max out his coilovers so they're max low. And we cut this like thing up here, and because we're gonna cut his bumper on this body line, so essentially this part is in here so that it doesn't make contact with his bumper when he turns and whatnot. And then we're gonna probably use self tappers and mount them up here. But yeah, Alif's doing the other side right now, and this low-key looks better. Yeah, okay, actually he's pretty much done with this, so
I'm goated. Who needs their fenders rolled?
fender rolled.
Who needs their renders rolled?
Renders fold. Yeah, but now we're probably gonna finish the imperfection on the left side, and then bleep, and then max out the coilovers, and then we'll do the rears tomorrow while there's sunlight. And then we're also gonna do my rear quarter panels, so it's a 2-for-1 video today, guys. But yeah, we'll catch in with you guys later. This looks so good. Oh man, look at this. Max low. Could be lower. Actually could be. I love the bumper. If only we can fix this.
Do we use like regular?
Explain to them what you're doing.
Cutting a piece of my fender so it doesn't rub.
Oh my god. stance problems. Alright guys, he just finished cutting the fender and it doesn't rub anymore. So, it doesn't rub at all, right?
Well, I don't know in the front though.
Okay, we could check. So, checkpoint. Roll the rear fenders and max them out lows and cut the fenders so we...
It's a little uneven right now because the alignment is off.
Oh yeah, the left rear side is so much more camber than the right. So it looks like the left is lower than the right, but in reality it just has more camber, so it's like this instead of that. Moment of truth right now is to send a right turn.
Yeah, his bus is like about to rear end me, bro. Okay, we're gonna send it.
Oh, man. It's not, okay, it's so much better though. It's so much better than before. Alright guys, as you saw, we lowered Ollie's, we rolled his fenders, both the front fenders and the rear quarter panels. He kind of went overboard on the fronts, so now there's like, it's like super wide, but I mean, it was the first time we did it, so it doesn't really matter. It just means that he can get wider wheels and go even lower. So yeah, his car looks really good now that it's stanced. But that's pretty much it for today's video. I will give you guys an update on my car in the future. Best believe we have things coming along. I'm making moves to get the car finished as soon as possible, so just stay tuned for that. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So I might roll my fenders whenever I do the body work on my car, but right now I'm just lazy because like every time I have to jump start the car, it's a whole process because one, I don't have gas, two, my battery is so shot that it takes at least 10 minutes to jump start it because I have to wait for the car that I'm using to jump it to charge my battery so that the car can start. And I'm also too lazy to get gas and fill it inside my garage because it smells really bad when I do that, and I can't air out the garage. I have to like leave the garage door open for like a few hours for it to air out. So it's a future problem, but stay tuned for my car and his car. He has a lot of things coming. His car looks completely different than when we recorded this video, so I'm excited to show you guys that, and hopefully my car will look just as different when you guys see it again. So yeah, without further ado, that's been today's video. It's been your boy. Don't forget, nothing's impossible. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.